we're gonna work on finding the mean, median, and mode for some data. So anytime you have to find the median, I think it's always easiest to start by putting your numbers in order. So I first count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 numbers in my data set. So when I put them in order, I want to make sure that I still have 10 numbers. So I go smallest, right? So I have an 8, I have a 9, I have 2 10s, I have 2 15s. I have a 21, a 22, a 25, and a 32. And I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Counting takes 3 seconds, and it's so important to make sure that you do that. Now, when we want to find the mean, let's go ahead and just do this in order. The mean, we add them all up and divide by how many we have. So when I add all of these numbers together, right, add them all up, I end up with 167. There are 10 numbers, so I have a mean of 16.7. And that should make sense, right? Your mean should be somewhere between the values of the minimum and the maximum. So somewhere between 8 and 32, I have 16.7, so yeah, that makes sense. Okay, now to find the median. To find the median, we want to find the middle number. So I want to work my way to the middle. So I take out one of these, small and big. You kind of cross them out. Take out a small, take out a big. Take out a small, take out a big. Take out a small, take out a big. And then you will notice that you have, in this case, 2 numbers. Now, this one's kind of an easy one, excuse me, but for the most part, we want to say, okay, we want to find the average of those two. So 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. And that's why I said this was an easy one, because the numbers are the same. So the median is actually that right there between. It cuts the data in half. You can see there are 5 numbers on this side, and there are 5 numbers on this side. That is what the median does. The mode is the number that appears most often. So you can see that I have a 10 that's here twice and 15 is here twice. So this is actually bimodal, B-I, because bi means 2. So I have 2 modes, 10 and 15. And number 2, again, we're going to find the mean, median, and mode of the Little Monsters, which is a Little League baseball team. Now, this is displayed a little bit differently. So these numbers tell you how many you have of each of these. So you could put these in order where you would have 10, 10, 10, 10, right? We have 4 10s. I have 6 11s. Some people like to do this. I have 9 12s. But that can be very, very tedious. So when you're finding the mean, I know that I have 4 plus 6 plus 9. I have 19 kids that I'm dealing with here because that's the numbers. Well, 4 of them are 10. 4 times 10, their total ages here are 40. 6 times 11, those total ages are 66. And 9 times 12 is 108. So when I'm finding my mean, I can take 40 plus 66 plus 108, and that gives me a numerator of 214 divided by 19, because there are 19 of them, and my mean is 11.26. So, get rid of my stuff here. My mean is 11.26, which makes sense, right? Here's the majority of my data. The mean is somewhere between the two. Great. Okay, let's go ahead and find the median. Well, let's do the mode next, because the mode's the easiest. Which one appears the most? Well, this is the biggest bar, so the mode is 12. The age of 12 is there 9 times, so the mode is 12. That's actually the easiest one. Okay, so now let's go to the median. Now, when you think about this, we talked about the median taking off 1 from the small and 1 from the big, 1 from the small and 1 from the big. Well, if you take out 4 here, because there are 4 kids who are 10, if you take out all 4 of those and take out 4 here, we have 5 left in this bar and we have 6 left in this bar, if that makes sense, right? I took away 4 people here, I took away 4 people here. 9 minus 4 gives me 5 left. So I now have 6 kids who are 11, 5 kids who are 12. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 5 of these kids. And if you cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this kid is the one in the middle. The median is 11. Okay, now I want to go back to the way I was talking about it with the bars. So if I get rid of 4 of the young kids and 4 of the old kids, I have 5 of these kids left and 6 of these kids left. Well, if I continue with that process of, okay, I get rid of 5 of these kids and 5 of these kids, I have this kid left. This is my lone kid in the middle. That's my median, and that kid is 11 years old. So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. There are more videos, I think, on this concept in the 123 packet, so you might want to watch those as well.